Hello everyone, this is Sumit. In the last video, we built this section, the first section of our portfolio. Now in this video, we are going to build the second section of our portfolio. So let's get started. So first of all, actually in the last section, I added this code. So what it does, it says the max width. So it will run if the height is less than 900 pixels. Basically for this screen size. If I will increase the size, it will not run right like this, because we already built something like this for this screen. I just decrease the font size and the size of images. So that's it. And now let's make a new section over there. So after this, I will make a new section and I will call this skill section, and inside that I will make a div and I will call this circle, because what we are going to make, let me show you. So we are going to build this. So first I made a section, this section, and inside that I need a circle, this circle. Basically we will make using a div, and then this is the balloon, this is a skill, and these are some skills. That's it. So let's build that. And this is a circle. Inside that, first in the h4 I will type skills. There we go. And then I will make a div. I will call it a skill div, and then an image. I just exported that image, so it is going to be like this: assets and balloons. And there you go. We can also type balloons here if you want. And that's it. For now, that's it. I'm gonna copy this from here, and then I will go over there and something like this. Yeah, there we go. First of all, I will define the height 200 ph. We can also adjust according to us. Width is going to be like 100%. So here we do not want to give the background color, something like that, but we want just one thing, that is we want to center everything. So what we have to do, I will say display flex, and we just have one thing, so we are not going to change the flex direction over there, but I will do justify content center, and then one more thing is align item center. There we go. That's it. And inside that we have an image div or a circle. It's a circle basically. So for the circle, I will define the height. Height is going to be something like 80 vh or something less, maybe if you want 70 vh, and width should also be the same, so like 70, because we want to make a circle, and for that circle we should have a square. So vh border radius, this should be 50%, and background color, and I will pick the background color from the Figma, and actually we can also adjust the background color over there if you don't like. And where are the things? Oh, there we go. It looks pretty good, but its skills should not be there. It should be in center. So what I did for this, to make everything in center, I will also do same like this actually, but I will do one more thing. There is a flex, which is flex direction and column. There you go. You can see over there. Now we have to change the size of balloon, so it should be, we have to give some name over there. I will call this balloons class. So we made the height as a relative, so I'm also gonna give the height 60 vh, something like that. It looks pretty good, but there is some problem actually. I want to put this part here. So for that I can do two things over there. One is this one. So I'm gonna increase the height a little bit, right, like 65, and then I will make the position relative. Top 20 pixels. I will try some of the things like 20 pixels, 40 pixels, Yeah, that's one. That's good enough. I will see over there, and it also looks pretty much better. So now we need to put some scales on these balloons. So let's go over there. One more thing that we can do, we can directly edit this image using Photoshop and put the scales on that. Another way is we have to do using code. So I will say p.html like this, and I will put HTML. It is coming over there, so I will copy this from here, and I will say one thing, that is copy and position absolute. So let me quickly add another skills also. So we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 skills, and we also have 7 groups, 3 4 5 6 7, right, like this. I'm gonna call this like, so second one is going to be CSS. It should be in capital, like next one is going to be a JavaScript, and then it should be React, and then we have React Native Engine. React. So let me put all these things in CSS. Maybe we have 5 skills, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So as you can see here, we have all the skills at one position. Now we have to adjust these skills according to the position. So it should be like, so I will say here top minus 10 and 0 is there. I think it will work. And here I will say left 100 pixels. And then we need something more like 150, 180, should be 200. Yeah, there we go. It should be 90, I guess. That looks perfect, I guess. And let me quickly do the same for others. Here I will break this into 2 lines. So one more thing that I need to do here is that I want to make all of these skills bold, right? Because these are the skills and it affects in the portfolio. So we have p tag inside this skill tag, right? It is going to be like font weight bold. That's it. There we go. Everything looks good, right? Like that's, we are starting how to create the portfolio. Not, we are not targeting the best one in the beginning, right? We will also make the best one. So I think that's enough for this video. Let's see in the next video, and we will do much better than this portfolio in the future. So see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.